Embracing the unknown, SpaceX's philosophy of progress. SpaceX operates on a fundamental principle: embrace challenges. Setbacks are seen as opportunities for innovation. This philosophy is deeply embedded in their DNA. Each mission pushes the boundaries of space exploration. It's a testament to their commitment to progress. SpaceX understands the path to Mars is paved with obstacles. They confront challenges head-on. This bold approach has propelled them to the forefront of spaceflight technology. They are rewriting the rules of what's possible. Their journey is marked by audacious goals and relentless determination. SpaceX dares to dream big, setting its sights on ambitious targets. Their unwavering belief in their vision fuels their progress. They are driven by a passion to make life multiplanetary. This spirit resonates throughout their work. It inspires a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. SpaceX is not just launching rockets, they are launching a new era of space exploration. This era is defined by boldness, innovation, and an unyielding pursuit of human potential. Flight 6, a giant leap forward. SpaceX's Flight 6 marked a pivotal moment. It embodied their spirit of pushing boundaries. This mission aimed to gather crucial data, essential for refining the Starship system. The ultimate goal? Mars. The flight showcased significant advancements. One key area was the Raptor engines, designed for deep space travel, a remarkable feat of engineering. During Flight 6, these engines roared to life, demonstrating power and precision. The data collected proved invaluable, providing critical insights, informing future Starship iterations. This iterative approach lies at the heart of SpaceX's success. Flight 6 was about pushing limits, testing new technologies, gathering knowledge for human life on Mars. The heat of innovation, thermal stress, and material challenges. Spaceflight presents extreme conditions. One of the most daunting is the intense heat experienced during atmospheric re-entry. Flight 6 highlighted this challenge. It brought to the forefront the issue of thermal stress on the Starship. As the Starship plunged back into Earth's atmosphere, friction generated intense heat. This heat subjected the spacecraft's materials to extreme stress. This highlighted a crucial area for improvement. SpaceX engineers realized that they needed to enhance the Starship's heat shield. In addition to thermal stress, Flight 6 revealed challenges with material deformation. The intense aerodynamic forces during re-entry caused some parts of the spacecraft to deform. This underscored the need for stronger, more resilient materials. These challenges, while significant, were not insurmountable. They provided SpaceX with valuable data and a roadmap for improvement. Each challenge was an opportunity to innovate and refine their designs. Unveiling the root causes, a deeper dive into Flight 6's hurdles. To overcome the challenges faced during Flight 6, SpaceX delved into the root causes. Their investigations revealed that the heat shield removal process had introduced an element of variability. This variability in the heat shield's application could potentially impact its performance during re-entry. Furthermore, the steeper re-entry angle chosen for Flight 6 contributed to the increased thermal stress. While this steeper descent profile was intended to gather valuable data, it also subjected the Starship to higher heating rates than previous flights. Understanding these root causes was crucial for SpaceX's engineers. It allowed them to develop targeted solutions for future Starship iterations. SpaceX's ingenuity forging solutions for a Martian future. SpaceX's response to the challenges of Flight 6 was characteristically proactive. They focused on developing innovative solutions to mitigate thermal stress and material deformation. One key area of improvement was the development of enhanced heat shield tiles. These new tiles were designed to withstand even higher temperatures. They were also more resistant to the mechanical stresses of re-entry. This involved exploring new materials and refining the manufacturing process. In addition to the heat shield, SpaceX made significant strides in material science. They developed new alloys and composites that were both lightweight and incredibly strong. These advanced materials were incorporated into the Starship's structure, enhancing its resilience during the demanding re-entry phase. The learning curve, transforming challenges into stepping stones. SpaceX views each flight as a learning opportunity. They embrace a philosophy of continuous improvement. The data collected from Flight 6, including the challenges faced, proved invaluable. It provided critical insights that guided the development of future Starship prototypes. This iterative approach, marked by constant testing and refinement, is central to SpaceX's success. They don't shy away from setbacks. They embrace them as stepping stones to progress. Each challenge conquered brings them one step closer to their ultimate goal, Mars. This dedication to learning and improvement is at the heart of their mission. It's what sets SpaceX apart as a driving force in space exploration. Onwards to Mars Starship V2 and the Falcon 9 NRO mission. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space travel, their eyes remain firmly fixed on the future. Their ambitious plans include the introduction of Starship V2, an even more capable version of their Mars-bound spacecraft. Starship V2 will incorporate all the lessons learned from previous flights, including the crucial data gathered from Flight 6. It will feature enhanced thermal protection systems, more robust materials, and even more powerful Raptor engines. This next-generation spacecraft represents a significant leap towards realizing their Martian ambitions. In addition to their Starship program, SpaceX continues to achieve milestones with their reliable workhorse, the Falcon 9. The successful launch of the Falcon 9 NRO mission further solidifies their position as a leader in spaceflight. This mission, carrying a critical national security payload, highlights the reliability and precision of SpaceX's launch vehicles.